Welcome to part 2 of this two-part bullnose repair series. In part 1, we removed the damaged corner, cut and installed the new bullnose, and secured everything in place. In this video, I'll walk you through the finishing process, including floating the corner, skim coating, texture, and final paint, so the repair blends seamlessly into the existing wall. Before adding any more mud, I start by scraping down the mesh tape. Any compound that pushes through the squares needs to be flattened out first. For this repair, I'm floating everything out using only my 6-inch knife. Since this is a localized repair, I'm not trying to coat the entire wall, just filling the gap left where the old bullnose was removed and the new one installed. That gap is roughly the width of the bullnose flange. I load mud halfway up one side of bullnose and finish working that material before moving on to the other half. My first pass is simply to smooth it down firmly. On the second pass, I burn the edge to pull excess mud away from the surrounding wall. Then I finish with one final smoothing pass. I repeat this same process on both sides of the bullnose. Once the hot mud begins to set, I come back with a damp sponge. This is the perfect time to clean the bullnose itself and soften the edges of the repair. Doing this while the mud is still workable is much easier than trying to sand it later. This step helps the corner stay crisp and keeps the repair looking clean. After the hot mud is fully cured, I apply a skim coat using regular joint compound. Again, I'm using only my 6-inch knife. I lightly coat the entire repair, making sure every surface is touched with fresh mud. The process is the same. Apply the mud, smooth it down, burn the edge, and make one final finishing pass. This coat isn't about building thickness. It's about refinement and blending the repair seamlessly into the existing wall. Once the skim coat is dry, I apply a Southwest-style skip trowel texture. The goal here is to match the existing wall pattern as closely as possible. Texture hides minor imperfections and helps the repair disappear once it's painted. Taking a few extra minutes here makes a huge difference in the final result. After the texture dries, I finish everything with 2 coats of paint. The first coat seals the repair and evens out the surface. The second coat brings the sheen and color back to match the surrounding wall. Once that's done, the bullnose repair is complete, clean, straight, and blended as if it was never touched. And that's how I finish out a bullnose corner repair from start to finish. If this video helped you, I'd appreciate you giving it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want more real-world drywall and repair tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.